What's up, baby girls and boys? Bienvenido a mi canal de YouTube. My name is Felipé Charming. In this video, as you can see from the title above, I will be showing you guys my brow routine. I can promise you that you'll never need another brow routine ever again. Before we get into the tutorial, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video and turn your post notifications on. Without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. Starting off, I like to take the spoolie end of my brow pencil, which is the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Ash Brown, to spoolie my brow hairs up for a nice even base and polished look. Then I just start to sketch the outline of my brows just so that they can have the very similar shape. They'll never be exact, but just so that they'll always have a very similar shape. And then I go ahead and outline the bottom, and I start to sketch hair-like strokes in the front of my brow just so that it never has that obvious line of demarcation. Then I dip into this Kiss Professional Top Brow Powder Kit that I have been using and loving for years, using the lighter shades to just set my entire brow and also ombre the front of my brow just to give it a more gradient natural effect. Then going in with the deeper shade in the palette, I just like to kind of define my arch and define my overall brow, just give it some more depth since my hair is black. After I'm done filling my brows in and setting them, I take this NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer in the shade Caramel, taking my brush and dipping both sides. I like to use a little precision brush from Sephora collection. Always start out from like towards the center and then just kind of start to shape my arch, and then I take like some of the excess concealer and clean up towards the front of my brow, and then I just kind of blend it as I go. And then I take the excess as well and go over the top of my brow and then just start to define and outline that shape until I get it to my liking. Either I'll start at my tail and then I'll take the excess and put it on the front of my brow, or I will start at the front and just, you know, slide the excess down to the rest of my brow, and then I just kind of like fleek and tweak it until I get it to my liking. After I'm done laying down my concealer, I like to take this little fluffy concealer brush and just blend out all of the concealer around the edges of my brows just to alleviate just the obviousness of my concealer being right there. Just blend it out, and then I'll like take some of the excess product and blend the front of my brow out. Then I just go back and do any last minute touching up and spooling until I'm done. That's pretty much my brow routine. I did forget to mention I do optionally use mascara to coat my brows ever so lightly, but I did forget to film this part. Since my hair hasn't been black in so long, I kind of stopped doing it, but that's only optional. I guess if you have black hair, that is an option for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to share this video with anyone who wants to learn how to do their brows, fleek up their routine, and yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace!